We are over here with Josh, is the Vice President of Google Labs, Gemini, and Notebook LM.
Yeah, that's right.
It's like a great privilege to have this conversation. Have like a few short questions. So let's go.
Sounds good.
So right now, Gemini is like one of the most dominant AI models in the world. What do you recommend to someone that wants to start to use this technology and now is new to AI?
Yeah, I guess one of the amazing things about this technology is you can ask it questions and it can teach you about itself. So sometimes when people get started, I will kind of advise them, maybe just ask, describe a little bit about who you are, what you're trying to do. Maybe you have a thought or a project, and you can just ask it and it'll kind of break it down step by step. That's a very easy way to get in. One of the other popular ways people try Gemini for the first time is to create images. And so it's very good at creating images and also editing images. And so that's been really fun to see a lot of people get introduced that way.
Like today we saw like extreme demonstrations of how you can use like AI for generating videos and pictures because we are influencers. But what about people at home that want to get more productive with AI? What kind of tools you can recommend that you use on your daily basis that they are more productive to your way of doing things?
Yeah. Well, I guess anything in Gemini, I think of it as kind of a general purpose tool. So I use it a ton. A lot of people use it for help with their writing. People are using it to learn new languages. There's a whole set of ways you can think of it almost in that way. Another tool you mentioned earlier, Notebook LM. This is a really powerful tool if you've got, say, a research project you're trying to do. If you're a student and you're looking at like, I've got a pile of PDFs or websites or documents, it can put it in that tool, build quizzes, build infographics, build a podcast, all of that to help you understand anything faster. The last one I might mention is a newer tool. It's called Google Flow. It's really good if you're trying to tell visual stories. So it really is great at images, videos, and being able to stitch all of that together. So we're seeing a lot of people, especially small businesses, they're trying to create assets or videos for their company are using a tool like that to get started.
So what they need to do in order to get started with their first video, if they do they need to tell the AI what is the business about, to give you like a reference for the picture?
Yeah, so usually what people do, they'll bring a reference. So maybe they've got a product catalog. This is the most common way. They bring in sort of a set of pictures of that. You can transform those pictures, turn it into a video, animate it, make it sort of a motion picture in a way. The other tool I'll throw in, if maybe your audience might be interested in too, is called Pomeli. It's a Google Labs experiment. So we're just trying out a lot of things. This one, all you bring is your website. Put in your website, hit a button. It creates something.
Generate everything?
Yeah, well, what we do is we create something called a business DNA. So it's like your font, your colors, your style, the things that make your business
like a design system, basically.
Exactly. And then you can use that to create marketing assets that you can put on the web, on social, on your website.
What is the thing about AI that people don't understand at the moment?
Oof, that's a good question. I would almost say like how much you can do with it. There's so much, even someone like you or me, we use AI every day, many times a day. I'm still finding things that is like, oh, I didn't know it could do that. Or I should have done that way or that way. So I think maybe my advice would be to, if you think it can't do it, try it. And what you'll find, I think, and what I'm finding every week is that frontier is kind of moving. And so it can do just more and more and more.
Do you have any tasks that you stopped doing because you're using AI?
Well, it's interesting. A year or two, maybe it was 2 years ago in Google Labs, we had a project. We wanted people to be able to create websites just by describing them. And back then, the models just weren't good enough to do it. So we kind of put that idea on the shelf. Now it's back. And so lots of people, sometimes what I'm finding is the timing. Some things were just almost possible, but not possible. And then a model release happens, and suddenly that thing that was impossible is now possible.
Do you find it like at the moment you can achieve everything with technology, but there's like ingredients like for the dish that you don't add to the tools right now? Because you can develop every feature, like a new idea, you can develop it. So there is like an urge to stop not adding like new features or?
Yeah, it's a good question. Like there's still the models, I would say that people sometimes in the industry will talk about like a jagged intelligence. Like Ethan Mollick will refer to it that way. So I would say the models can't do everything. They're doing more and more. But I would say what I'm trying to do more and more is like challenge the models and really try to find out where that edge is of what's possible. And I think the biggest surprises I'm finding is that consistently, I didn't think it could do it, but it could. Or maybe it could do it 80%, which helps me get a little bit further along in the task I'm trying to do.
One of my favorite tools in the Gemini ecosystem is Notebook LM.
Oh,
I think it's
thank you.
Undervalued, and people start to get to know it and incorporate into their daily work. But what kind of a hidden feature there is like inside of a Notebook LM that people need to know about?
Well, I would say like one of the things, and thanks for using it so much, is we're finding with that project is people can create content and be able to transform content in a way that really helps them understand and learn. And so if you had to pick one, we have these new cinematic videos. They're almost like shorts that have come out. And I think that's really amazing. You can put in, 20, 30, 40 documents, hit a button, and it'll make a minute, 60-second long short to help you understand.
Any chance to see like a platform that you can consume those like reels that people are creating? And it's like,
that's a good question.
Instead of having like a brain rot, they're learning new stuff on the go.
Right now, I'd say upload them to YouTube. That would be the best place, Okay.
And one last question regarding Notebook LM. Do you gonna have any new feature that we're gonna see in the near future? Like, because you're always upgrading this tool.
Yes, we are. We are. One of the things that's in the paid membership right now, we're trying to expand, we're very excited about, is how do you bring more agentic capabilities into Notebook directly? What I mean by that is instead of maybe having to, say, drag and drop a lot of sources in, you could kind of just tell it, I'm interested in this topic, go grab me some sources. Instead
of like using the deep research tool, you can just use your agent to do the research
and then
for you.
You'll be able to also say things like, turn that into a website, turn that into any kind of other artifact.
So you're going to have like agent inside of Notebook LM.
That's it.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I want to thank you for your time and thank you for the amazing product that they changed the life of so many people.
Oh, thank you.
And thank you very much.
All right, thank you.